want to update multiple elements. So this is the address and this is the sex column. Okay, and deleting the element of dictionary, that is simple. Delete again dictionary name, the column, the key. Okay, and it will by itself delete every value associated with the key. Okay, now see our dictionary. This was our dictionary. Okay, this was our dictionary, and we are convinced to delete this X column maybe. So delete dictionary name. Which key you want to delete? Directly you have to delete the key, and this is how it works. Now the X column is gone. Okay, now you don't have any X key over there. Okay, now what we can do here we are updating the dictionary using the list. Okay, we are updating the dictionary using the list. Now what we can do, we can update the dictionary with dictionary. Okay, using the dictionary. So let's say these are the two dictionaries. Okay, these are the two dictionaries. Student data dictionary. Okay, this is the student data dictionary, and what we want to do is student data dictionary dot update pin code and last name. Okay, let me take it to another column. Let me show you in a more proper way. So this is what you can see, and after that what we are doing, we are updating a dictionary using a dictionary. So this is a dictionary. This is now this is not a list. Okay, we are updating a dictionary using a dictionary. So now we have to print it. Let's see what is happening. So this is what happens. City and country. After city and country, we are having pin code and last name. So this is how you update a dictionary using a dictionary. Okay, this is a dictionary. This is not a maybe this is not a list. Okay, this was a list. Now this is a dictionary. Then updated dictionary with list of tuples. Okay, so this was the updated dictionary which we updated it using one more dictionary inside it. Now this is what it looks like. Now what we want to do is again we want to update pin code and last name. Okay, we want to update it. Okay, using list of tuples. So this is list, and inside the list we are having tuples. That's why I am telling you this is complex data structure. See, everything is updated again. Okay, it just crunched the last values and updated the new values. Okay, and again the dictionary key can be anything. It can be anything. The key can be anything. It can be a string, it can be an integer, it can be a float, it can be a boolean, it can be anything. Key can be anything, but it needs to be unique. Okay, see, the key can be anything. So, and mostly string and integer are used to show a key, not the bool or the float. Okay, these things you have to keep in mind. Like in real world, mostly you will find a string and integers in work. So float can be used as key. So this is something. This is a value which is associated with this key. Float can be used in, and we can access it. So this proves that a key can be anything: a string, a float, a int, a bool, anything. Okay. Now in in when I started dictionary explanation, I told you a key must be unique, and I told you I promised you that I will show you if the key will not be unique, what problem we can get into. So here what we are doing, we are having a key A which is having a value 1, and again at the last we are having a key A and which is having a value of 23. Let's print it. Okay, now what we can see, we are having 23 as the A value. So what we can conclude is, if any time we will add any duplicate key, it will not throw any error. It will override the value which is added at the last. Okay, so if say you assigned A in the beginning as 1 and you assigned A in the last as 23, so every time it will not throw any error. So it will override this A value directly. It will override this A value. It will do nothing else. So this can cause big anomalies, and even you will not able to understand in big codes where the error is going on, which line is throwing the error, or maybe what is the error. So that's why key always should be unique. Okay, again we can iterate through key value pair, like we were able to iterate in list, but here we need to do it through key value pairs. Okay, key value pairs. We need to do it like this. Okay, this is the key, this is the value associated, this is the key, this is the value associated, key value associated. Okay, and we can dot items again. Don't forget to use dot items. Okay, dictionary dot items. It will give you different items which are inside the dictionary. If you will not use dot items over here, so it will simply throw error. Okay, so if you are iterating through dictionary, first think of key value and then dot items. Don't forget to put all these things. Just simply if you do this, so it will throw an error, not enough value to unpack. Expected to got one. Okay, so this is the error it will throw. Then again, sorting a dictionary based on keys. So this is how you sort a dictionary based on keys. Simply sorted a dictionary. Then again, these things can be happen which we used on list. Okay. Now we are sorting it based on key. So keys A, B, and C. That's why it is sorted like this. Okay. So this is the thing. Then sorting a dictionary based on value, that require lambda expression, that we will cover bit like in this course we will cover, but after some time. Okay, that's all for this. And after like I have covered this dictionary, now I will cover set for you in the next video. That's all for this video.